Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to increase display size in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly you have to move up, then here you have to see many options. Click on the setting icon first, then again you have to see here many options. Scroll down and click on the display and brightness option. Now here you have to see many options. Click on the firstly display size option, click on that. Here you will see your display size is default. So if you want to increase your display size, scroll this circle on the right side and here you will see the result. When you click on the back option like that, here you will see your display size is increased on your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us.